Here I've got the Mountain Dew bottle over on its side. There's a reason for that. I want to measure the focal point for the Mountain Dew bottle. Okay, now I've got the level sitting on top of the laser pointer, and the reason I've got the Mountain Dew bottle on the side is I want to be able to move this thing up and down, keeping the laser pointer always in the same direction, at least in the same vertical plane. And I can check that by using the level, by keeping the bubble in the middle. Okay, now I can tell here, and of course I could use the screen and mark the distances. I can tell here that when I move up, the point moves down. When I move down, the point moves up. I could measure that distance using the scale. I'm going to move in a lot closer, and hopefully you can see this. Maybe I'd better turn things around just a little bit more here. Okay, these things aren't perfectly parallel, but I want you to be able to see. I'm not sure you can see anything there. I'm going to have to go back to this orientation. Hope you can see. Okay, now as I move up and down, again keeping the thing perfectly level, there's not much difference. If I get in too close, I don't know if you'll see this, but when I move up, the point moves up. When I move down, the point moves down. The focal distance appears to be right about here, and I can mark that focal distance. I can mark the position of the edge of the Mountain Dew bottle, and I can mark the position of this edge of the Mountain Dew bottle. Now I mark those approximately. If everything works the way it should, this distance should be equal to the radius or half the diameter of the Mountain Dew bottle. If I measure the distance, I see I've got about 3 centimeters here and about 7 centimeters here. I wasn't being all that careful about exactly where I formed the focus, but you see that this is about half the radius of the bottle, and that's something else that we'll see an analysis of later.